Okay, so I was trying to play some Grand Theft Auto 5, but I mean, the disc works. I checked, but watch what happens when it weeds, or if it even weeds. See what I mean? Okay, and it's not just with this disc either. Yeah, I was trying to play story mode. So, there's a DVD. Watch what happens. See what I mean? Does anyone know how to fix this? Because I am debating on whether to replace this thing with a PS5 or not. If you have like a straight answer, please let me know. And I tried unplugging it for a few seconds and that didn't work. I tried leaving it alone overnight, that didn't work. Like, it's been acting up since last night. When my Wi-Fi went out. I use Spectrum, and Spectrum is a piece of shit. And I have no one to help me. My mom doesn't get home until night. She went on a little vacation. So I have no way of help other than YouTube. But if you guys know how to fix this, please let me know in the comments below.